everyone and welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video today to watch. How are you all? I hope you're all doing okay. So as you can tell by the title and of course what you can see in front of me here, I have some Happy Mail to share with you. So let's just crack on and open this Happy Mail. So if you want to go ahead and grab yourself your favourite drink, your snacks, put your feet up and relax, and let me share these beautiful packages with you today. So first up, we have got, as you can tell by the beautiful blue box, we've got I placed a little order with Holly Budgets and super excited about this. So what we've got here is her like little thank you card with all her like socials on, and then we've got, what have we got in here? A little stripy bag of sweets and I've got some dice as well. Oh my gosh, how pretty are those dice? Love them. Wow, they're really, really pretty. Girls will be nubbing them off of me. And we've got a little Think Happy Thought sticker. Wow, love them dice. And what I picked up was, so excited, I picked up the little pen pot with the cloud on, which I think was part of her, like the new range. Also, I got myself the little cash cloud tray as well, which super excited about, but not as excited as this, guys. So if you have been following me for a while, watching my videos for a while, you know I can never ever keep the dice on screen. So I picked up one of the new dice towers, so now we'll be able to keep it on screen and not have them rolling off everywhere. So yeah, I think this was these dice. Was these dice the things where X amount, or if you got the dice tower and you in X amount of orders you got a set of dice? Am I right in saying that? I'm not too sure. But anyway, that is my order from Holly Budgets. I absolutely love it. Cloud in the pink. Super excited about this, like mega excited. And then we have got, or I have got, say we, I mean the royal we. I feel like we're all in this together. I picked up the Studio Budget Lane Christmas box, and I was adamant I was going to be getting this, and I was adamant that I was going to buy the premium one. So let's get this all out of the box, so there's not too much rustling around. But as you open the box, you get this beautiful sticker here that says Studio Budget Lane at the North Pole. Super excited. So let's get everything out. Oh, a little something fell out of there. So I went for the premium, which meant that you get a binder, and I knew I wanted to go for the premium purely because I wanted to have a Christmas binder. And look how beautiful this is all packaged up. It's stunning. So let's open this all up. Oh, we've got like a little scratch off, and oh my days, look at that. Isn't that just the most beautifulest thing you've ever seen? That is stunning. I love that. There's a blue holographic binder with snowflakes and Christmas on in vinyl, and that is just stunning. Wow, I'm super excited about this. So we have like this little Elfie scratch off here. So let's open up this. Oh my gosh, look at this. So this says, hello, welcome to the North Pole. It is great to have you here. Your job is to work around the map, completing challenges to save you money. Watch out for the naughty elves wandering around, as they may just fool you. Oh, love, Santa. Oh, P.S. Make sure to stick on the nice list this year. I feel like I've read that wrong. Anyway, how cute is that though? I love that. And if that is handwritten, that's amazing. So here we go. So we've got the North Pole. This is the little map that you get, and you go round and it tells you what each one you save. So we'll obviously go through all the trackers and everything as we go. Let's move out this tissue paper. I'll move out the tissue paper. Oh God, we've got another little scratch off there. And we've got a chocolate coin, which the girls will be nabbing as well. So first up, we've got this coin pouch, and there's something in here. Shall we have a read? So it says here, the naughty elves. Amongst this box of goodies, you'll find hidden naughty elves. Scratch and see what punishment you need to pay for the naughty elf. Oh, love that. Also, these must be the naughty elves. And yeah. Oh, okay. I mean, I think that'll be a pre-scratch situation and budgeting for that. But I do have a bit of a plan for this binder, so do not worry about that. Oh, we've got another little, wow, how many little elves are there going to be in this? This is amazing. So let's move this to one side. So first up, we have got Candy Cane Forest Trail. And oh my days, look how cute this zipper wallet is. I mean, that is just, look at the little candy canes, love that. And I've got a spinny. Oh my gosh, I have been wanting a spinny one for absolutely ages. So it says here on the back, flick the spinner to see how many spaces you need to move on the Candy Cane Forest Trail and save. Do what the space tells you. So you start here and you spin. So let's give it a spin. So that is 7. So you'd go 1, 2, 3. Oh, what way do we go? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it says then go back 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and we save 3. Love that. Oh my gosh, yes. That is amazing. Super excited about that. Although, how does everyone store their little spinners? I don't know how I'd store it. Maybe I'll keep the box to keep things in. I'm not too sure. Anyway, next up we've got another little Father Christmas sticker there. Cute. Was that another? I think that was the first sticker, wasn't it? Then we've got Santa's Workshop. So we've got another matching zipper wallet, and then we've got a scratch off one again. And on here you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And what does this save? So this saves £50. This saves £50, which is a really good amount towards Christmas. What's this one? What's the candy? Oh yeah, that's, so the candy cane one is like whenever you want to kind of finish that. Love this. How cute is this? Stinking cute. And then we've got Sugar and Spice Bakery. Oh, I mean, look at the little gingerbread man. Oh, come on. I love this. Sugar and Spice Bakery. Help Sugar and Spice, the naughty elves, to finish the Christmas Eve order of gingerbread men. Save £10 for each gingerbread man. So the gingerbread man saves 80. Is that right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yep, so it's £80, which is again another really good amount. And it's a nice kind of £10, no, £10 a week, 2 months. You'd have that done if you know, wanted to just do it once a week. I love that. That's super cute. Oh, we've got a little Christmas wreath key ring. Ostara will definitely be nabbing that off of me. She loves a key ring at the minute. Oh, and we've got another little naughty elf to go in the little pouch. Then we have got Blitzen Barn. So it says the reindeer are hungry and would like a tasty carrot. Each carrot is 5 and each reindeer is 10. Save £130 in total. Super cute. Love this. So you've got Dasher, Dancer, Prancer, Vixen, Comet, Cupid, Donner, Blitzen, Rudolph. Oh, I love that. The illustration is, this is so pretty. Oh, actually, you know what? This is such a pretty envelope. Just very simple and basic, but I love it. Love that. So that saves you 130. We've got another little naughty elf. So then we've got Elf Village. So Elf Village, come and meet the elves who help Santa get ready for the big day. So you've got Sprinkle, Merry, Hope, Snowball, Mittens, Pine. And yeah, and you've got there, what's that gonna say? 110 in total. These are really good amounts to be saving towards Christmas. Just like kind of thinking about like how I'm gonna kind of be doing this. And yeah, I think like all of these are really, really doable and doable before Christmas as well. So these are in amounts of 5, 10s and 15s. And just look at the envelope with the little elves on. I love that. This is absolutely amazing. So I'm going to show you some other little bits in here. So we've got like this little plastic Santa and a little Christmas tree. I mean, obsessed. And what is it to do with small Christmas trees? I love a small Christmas tree. I had like on my table last year. We moved into our house 3 days before Christmas, so it was all very bit hectic, but I had like this tree like house thing on my dining table. I think I'm gonna have to try and find more of these little trees. Charlotte, if you can tell me where you got these little trees from, I really appreciate it. So I can add it to my decoration for this year. But yeah, the cute little Santa, so cute. Got some more chocolate. We've got a pen. Yeah, love that. How cute is that? Oh, love a pen. And then we've got some Post-it notes. I love a Post-it note. Obsessed with it. I love a Post-it note. So got some Christmas Post-it notes. Show you a little write on the pen. See how this writes. Oh. Oh yes. Oh, I love that. Wow, that writes lovely. That is a lovely pen. I love that. Perfect. Wow, really, oh, put it in the wrong pile. Okay, so we've got some dice as well. We've got a coloured dice and a 6-sided dice there. So next up of challenges, we've got Penguin Chill, and we've got some cards. Okay, so let's see, is there any instructions? Of course there is. So shuffle and pick a card to decide which penguin comes off the ice rink first. Save the amount shown beside each penguin below. Oh my god, that's so much fun. I haven't done a card game yet. So you'll be like, oh, let's do this one. So this guy is 4 and he's there, and you'd cross him off and say £4. Oh my god, that is stinking cute. How much does this save? £48. That again, really good amount. How cute is this? Love that. You know what, that is a really, on it, I know I keep saying it, but these are all really good doable amounts to complete before Christmas. And then we've got 5 gold rings. So work through Santa's favourite Christmas songs by saving each value. I won't sing the song. I'm not, you know what, I can never remember 5 gold rings. I mean, the first day of Christmas, my true love gave to me a partridge on a pear tree, 2 turtle doves, and something else. Anyway, how cute is this? So this one saves £78. Fantastic. Another naughty elf there. And then we've got naughty or nice court house. Roll an even and go with the ballerina, saving 5. Roll an odd and be taken by the nutcracker, paying a 10 fine. Oh, I love that. So it's yeah, it's a dice game. You know what? You know what? Nutcrackers. I love a nutcracker. Me and James are obsessed with them. We just have so many nutcrackers. He wants to get this year big outdoor nutcrackers to stand on our, like, by our front door or on our decking. Yeah, because we just love a nutcracker. But how I love that. Naughty or nice courthouse. And that, of course, you won't know what you save. So I like it as well that you can kind of like put here like what you've saved at the end. Really love that. And then the last one, we've got Oh Christmas Tree, and it's a Christmas tree. It's got some lights on, and you'll use the colour dice for this. So it says here, a bonus challenge to help you save a little more. Roll your coloured dice, which will choose what colour you need to colour the light on the Christmas tree. You decide how much each colour is worth. And I think that is a fantastic challenge. And you know what? Oh, I love this. Look how pretty it is. I think I'll definitely go with like the fill the jar denominations because I feel like they're a good denomination, fill the jar. So there we go. That is the Christmas box from Studio Budget Lane, and I have to say I absolutely love it. I think it's so creative. Oh, there's just so much here, guys. I can't even get it all on. So creative. Cannot wait to just like start this. As I said, I've got a plan of action for this, and basically the plan of action is that any money that I've budgeted to go into Christmas, instead of going into the Christmas like saving challenge that I have in the green binder, or basically the sinking fund, is just going to go into this now. And I'm just going to do this purely for Christmas, and I'm super excited. Maybe I could do like a Christmas game day when I'm due to put some money into this, maybe. I don't know, we'll see. But anyway, I'm going to leave it there for today. And I've got my little die. Oh my god, look, I mean, I'm sorry, but like, I feel like now I am a true UK cash stuffer with all my goodies. So I'm gonna leave it there and let you get on with your day. So thank you ever so much for watching. If you got through to the end of the video, please leave a comment just saying hi, and let me know what you thought about my happy mail today. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up because it means the absolute world to me when you do. Thank you ever so much for watching. I hope you're having a great day and a great week as always, and I shall see you all soon. Bye bye.